So in this video we are going to see how to carry out root cause analysis of any particular problem of the industry. In the industry you are going to solve various problems, and for that you need to carry out the root cause analysis. So I have taken one problem in the industry, that is pump impeller failure, and I am going to tell you how to carry out its root cause analysis. So the process is, first you have to write down the problem. Our problem is pump impeller failure. Next you have to list out as many reasons why this pump impeller can fail, and the reasons listed here: first is cavitation, second is vibration, third is misalignment, fourth is foreign particles entry at suction, fifth is wrong assembly or case contact, and last is corrosion. And what we have to do now is we have to check each and every reason whether this can be the cause for the pump failure or not. So let's start with the cavitation. So can cavitation happens inside the pump? Here it is written that pump is provided with NPSH. So the cavitation can't be there in the pump. So this is not the cause for the pump impeller failure. So let's move to the next. Next is vibration. Regular measurements are taken, so this is also not the cause. Next is misalignment. It is also got checked and found okay, so this is also not the cause. Now fourth is foreign particles entry at suction. So from where or what are the sources where the foreign particles can enter into the suction? Suction means pump suction. So first is contaminated supply. The supply we are providing any liquid to the pump can be contaminated, and it is marked with the red that supply was checked and found contaminated. So what it means, that we check this cause, this reason, and this found that yes, this is the cause for the pump impeller failure. Okay, so let's move to the next. There can be other causes also. It is not necessary that there is only one cause for the problem. So we need to check other causes also. So next is other equipment failed parts. Example, wear of supply tank. What it means, there are other equipments also which are connected to this pump and the liquid flowing through that. So this equipment can fail and its some parts get damaged and come into the suction line of this pump. But this is a hidden factor, so this can't be measured. So let's keep this factor aside now. Move to the next. Samples not taken at particular frequency. So we have checked this and this found okay. Next, laboratory measurement error. So this is also a hidden factor, because the person who is going to take the measurement, he can have some fault, that is human error can happen, so we are not able to measure them. So this is the hidden factor. So let's move to the another reason, that is wrong assembly or case contact. This is also checked and found okay. Now last reason is corrosion. Why the corrosion can happen? First is due to the wrong MOC, that is material of construction, and second due to the poor quality parts. So both of these reasons are checked and they are found okay. So these are not the causes. So what cause we found out of this root cause analysis is pump impeller got failed because the liquid supply was contaminated, which is marked in this red box. So first what we are going to do with this red, that we are going to correct this cause. So the purpose of this root cause analysis is to correct this cause so that it is not going to happen again. So we are going to correct this contaminated supply and provide a good quality supply. And if again this pump impeller got failed, so we are going to provide controls for these hidden factors, which are marked with this orange in this slide. So we are going to check the other equipment failed parts, or we are going to check the laboratory, or we are going to provide some control for this laboratory measurement error. So first of all, what we are going to do? We are going to check the supply. Again, if not this affected into the proper pump impeller failure, then we are going to check for the next. So the purpose of this root cause analysis is to find the cause and correct it so that it will not happen again. Thank you.